you know that solar eclipses are of two kinds. One is total solar eclipse and one annular solar eclipse. And total or annular is preceded and succeeded by partial eclipses. That means it starts with a partial eclipse, then it will be a total eclipse, then again it will be a partial eclipse. So this time we have two types of eclipse, that is total and annular, on the same day, same time. These hybrid eclipses are really rare. If you consider for 100 years, this century, 2000 to 21st century, there will be 7 hybrid eclipses. This also may vary in other centuries. So, on the average, this century will see 224 eclipses, out of which around 60 will be partial, 72 will be total, and around 70-78 will be annular. So, this annular and total eclipse are different because we know that eclipse happens when sun, moon and earth becomes in a straight line, and moon blocks the sun for some part of the earth. So we know that moon is revolving around earth in a elliptical path. When it is very far away, it is almost 4,05,000 kilometers away, and when it is closer to earth, it is 3,65,000 kilometers. So when moon is closer to earth, we see a little bigger moon in the sky. So whenever an eclipse occurs, when moon is closer, it can totally cover the sun. So we get a total eclipse. But when moon is very far away, we see it a little smaller in size. So it is not able to cover entire disk of the sun. So we see a ring or ring of fire around the sun. So we call that lunar eclipses. So total, whenever there is a hybrid eclipse, the moon is in between. It's not neither very far nor very close. So this time the moon is around 3,78 kilometers away from the earth. So for some part of the globe, people will see the total eclipse, and some portion will see the annular eclipse. So it is a hybrid eclipse, we can call it, which is very rare, and is this time the people of Southeast Asia, some parts of the Southeast Asia, mostly of Indian Ocean, New Zealand and Australia, Philippines can see this eclipse, and the total width of the totality path is about 115 kilometers only. So a belt of 115 kilometers, people can see the eclipse, hybrid eclipse. And as far as the timing is concerned, it will start at 7:04 Indian Standard Time. That means morning 7:04, and it will last up to 12:29. It's duration of the eclipse. But at particular place, people can't see it for more than 1 hour and 20 minutes.